Welcome back, students. Today we're going to continue talking about parts of speech, but this time we will focus on nouns. Remember that parts of speech, that just means words that we use to talk about language. Some examples are nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Let's take a look at this example sentence. The woman caught A fished, B fish, or C fishy. The woman caught A. Now this is a hard one because all of those words have something to do with a fish, the animal that lives in the water. How do we know which one is the correct one for this sentence? Fished is a verb. That's what you do. You go fishing. Fish in this sentence is a noun. It's the animal, it's the thing. And fishy is an adjective. It's a word that you use to describe something. In this sentence, the correct answer is the woman caught a fish. The word that we want is a noun. What is a noun? The definition is words that are people, places, or things. Let's look at this example sentence again. The cat eats fish. So now we've got two boxes. One box is the people, places, and things, and the other box is what they do. Let's see where each of these words go. Cat is a thing. It's an animal. Eats is what the cat does. The cat eats. Can you guess where fish will go? Fish is also a thing. Now, we're not going to worry about the word the yet. Those people, places, and things are actually called nouns. Let's try it with a longer sentence. Man, that's a person, so that goes into people. Goes, that's what he does. Store, that's a place. Buy, that's what the man does at the store. Food is a thing. Now, let's look just at nouns. Now we've got boxes for people, places, and things. 3 separate boxes. And we'll just look at the nouns in the sentence. Remember, before we put man, store, and food into the nouns box, because they're all people, places, or things. Man goes into the people box. Store is a place, and food is a thing. A noun answers a question, and the question that it answers is, what is it? How do I know if a word is a noun? One rule is you can put the, some, or a before it. The cat, a computer, some people. If you try it with, say, for example, a color, the blue, or the happy, it just doesn't work. It doesn't sound right, and it's not good English. Did you know? The most important noun in a sentence is called the subject. And the subject is a person, place, or thing that is doing something in the sentence. Noun. Let's take some notes. The definition: words that are people, places, or things. Some examples. A doctor. That's a noun because it's a person. Coffee. That's a thing. It's a noun. Potato. Again, a thing. It's a noun. Clinic. That's a place. again, it's a noun. Some things that are not examples of nouns. Drink. That is not a person, a place, or a thing. Eat. That's something that you do. It's not a person, a place, or a thing. Go and see. Those are both things that you do. It's not a person, a place, or a thing. So a sentence to help us remember those three things. A noun. People go places and buy things. Our definition for nouns are words that are people, places, or things. Some examples are coffee, doctor, school, clinic. Anything that is a person, a place, or a thing is a noun. Some examples of things that aren't nouns: words like go, or run, or eat. Those are things that you do. They are not nouns. They are not people. They are not places, and they are not things. The example to help us remember what nouns are: people go places to buy things. Thanks so much for joining us today, and I hope you'll join us next time for our video about verbs.